what's up? It's Abril back at it with videos. This month it's gonna be, or like these upcoming last months of the year will be fun. But before I say that, comment, subscribe, and like below. I'm gonna start making more intros because I want to get it out of the way and then just kind of continue on with my video. So make sure to do that. Take your time to do that, please. I love making these videos, and that just kind of encourages me to continue. Like, regardless, I will continue, but it's just fun to see it. Okay, but besides that, these upcoming months for November and December, I'm starting off early with Christmas, and so usually you start the advent calendar like the first day of that month of December, but I'm gonna start it right now because it makes me happy. And so in this time I've already ordered a couple of things that I want to do to like self-care and like treat myself kindly in these holiday seasons and during this time of the year. So you will be seeing me treating myself a lot more. Monday. This is so satisfying. Should I wear the socks right away? This is the first pair of socks and I can't wait for tomorrow already. Oh, look, it's him. How cute. And they're actually like pretty good quality. Like, oh look. God, look at that. Okay guys, so we have Oogie Boogie on my feet. How cute. This is really fun. You guys should try it, and I totally 100% recommend it if you have nothing going on and you want a little surprise and spice in your life. Okay guys, so treat yourself. Okay, this first day, I'll see you guys on the second day. Tuesday. It's second day of my treat yourself sock edition. It's literally the best thing to come home to. My baby and this. Now let's debut them. I look so cute and I can't wait to go to sleep. Okay guys, well that's it. Treat yourself. See you tomorrow. Bye guys, good night. Wednesday. It's cute. I honestly kind of thought of them as really evil kids, and I did not find them as entertaining. I can't wait for tomorrow because this one was a little bit more anticlimactic. And if these were your favorite, then I'm sorry. But the Oogie Boogie, obviously Jack Skellington is the best, and then Sally are one of my favorites. I don't know, sometimes I like the spooky dog, but those are my favorites. So, okay, random side note, this is the most exciting part of the actual day. So I got something in the mail today, and I am so excited. So I'm going to show you guys because that'll make this more exciting. And then random side note, I actually use Fetch Rewards to get the majority of my things. So for this purchase, it was like a $52 purchase. I ended up only paying $25. If you guys want to learn how to do that, it's one of my favorite apps to use. You basically, all you do is you scan an item, you scan your receipt. When you scan your receipt, it will literally give you points for it. And I've only had it for 1 month, and just like from the receipts I remember to do, I had 25,000 points, and that was worth $25. So it basically took off half of my purchase. So I literally only paid $25. So I will include my link down below so you guys can also try it out, and then we both get 2,000 points from opening your account. So yes. So I got a wax warmer kit because I want to wax now that COVID is happening. A lot of places closed, or a lot of places are doing their thing, but they're just not working out with my time. But it gives you a wax warmer, the wax beads, and it gives you 4 wax beads packets. It gives you this, which you can use interchangeably, and the wax warmer, and a spray to sanitize yourself. No, this is a pre-wax, and this is the after wax. They're both alcohol based. Looks kind of normal. You just will warm up your wax. I got rollers for my hair because I want to try to do this natural look. So you will probably see a video before I post this video. But yeah, this is for my hair to make it curly or a wavy look. And I also got a nail kit because I'm planning on doing more nail styles on my nails to look a bit more professional while I'm doing my videos. And that is it. So that was my exciting review. And I got 3 colors to do my nails and designs. I got our fall winter kind of colors. They're more fallish because we're still ending the fall to begin the winter.
Thursday.
Today we have Dog Ghost. Can I do 5 and 6? Ah! There are no rules in this world.
Friday.
It's Sally finally! Okay, so I get to choose today what sock I want to wear. Okay, let's see what day 6 brings us.
Saturday.
This is just the design of Sally's dress, right? Oh, this is cute. I like it. But I think I like this one better. I don't think I like colorful colors. I like this. Day
Sunday.
7. Oh, it's Jack. This has Sally on it. They look kind of similar to the other day, don't they? The one that has a face on the side. So this one's kind of Jack. I mean, I like that they're all Jack because honestly, who doesn't mind an all Jack advent calendar? Okay, so anyways, day 9, more Jack. Like, this is just a Jack day. So if I had to pick my favorite for the day, this is my basic go-to. Like, this I would pick on a regular day. But this, like, these colors are just like fun. It makes me feel festive. And yeah, a little Jack will never hurt. Back on day 10. Today we are, what's this? What's this? Da-na-na-na-na. What's this? What's this? So this is day 10 and I have to do day 11 because I forgot to do it yesterday. Sally again. Well, this is hard because this one's kind of creepy, like Halloween vibes. Or like spooky vibes. But this ones are cutie vibes. I'm gonna wear cutie vibes today. So we're on day 12. I am tired, but we're gonna get this socks on because it's cold at night and I actually like socks now. Yeah, it's Jack still. I also missed another day, so day 13. So we have these. So here we go, 14th day, and we got Jack's spot where he goes on that tree and he sings. And we're gonna do 15 because I'm so over this. This has been the longest 15 days of my life. I have not done this consistently, and it's okay, but oh shoot, I fell down. And there we go. We got our Jack socks for both. Jack with Sally. I think that was a good ending. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get yourself an advent calendar. They are so fun as long as you keep up with them. I think the hardest part is just recording, but obviously when you're at home and you're doing it every day, you don't have to do it under video. But hope you guys enjoy. Comment and like down below. Comment down which one was your favorite day of the sock. Was it the first day, second day? Let me know. I think my favorite day was, I think it was the Sally one, the spooky Sally one. That one was my favorite. So yes, that is it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Treat yourself. Let me know what you guys should, so let me know down below what you guys think I should do next. If you guys thought this was fun, I will maybe try another one. I did see an advent calendar for jerky. And that one seems interesting because I love jerky. Oh yeah, and by now you probably have already seen my wax video, so this is a conjunction to that. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I was very vulnerable in that state and it was really weird to show my hairs. But I hope you guys enjoy that. There will be a video up top over here with that video. Watch it next. It's funny. And just skim through it if you don't want to see the whole waxing process. But it was fun to do. Alright guys, I'll see you then. Take care.